Hi, I'm Sherry Fields with Berkshire Hathaway, Montana Properties, and I'm about to go over the 20 most important questions that you should ask before you even think about engaging a realtor, whether you're buying or selling your home.
Sellers also need to be aware of the things that they should not do when they're trying to sell their home. And first and foremost is do not start a do-it-yourself project after we have listed the home. It will detract from the viewing experience, and some buyers will worry that it won't get completed. Always have the house in showing-ready condition, meaning clean and tidy. Buyers do appreciate being able to view a home that shows it is being well maintained. Always leave the house for showings. The buyers want to be able to walk around freely and make comments about the house without worrying about offending anyone. Make sure that the curtains are open and all of the lights are on before you leave. You want your environment to open up and be bright for all showings.